Day two of the Hartford HealthCare Women's Championship, where top rising golfers are competing for their LPGA Tour cards. The Hartford HealthCare Rehabilitation Network is also on site, helping to keep those athletes healthy and right at the top of their game. Joining us this morning is Stephanie Barraza, a board-certified sports clinical specialist with the Hartford HealthCare Rehabilitation Network. Stephanie, great to see you this morning. First off, what are conditions like out there this morning on the course?
It's great to see you too, Keith. It's a gorgeous day out here. A little hot, so we're
Okay.
monitoring that for the athlete health, but gorgeous day, not a cloud in the sky.
Okay, can you tell our audience what role Hartford Healthcare Rehabilitation Network plays at that tournament to help support these players?
Yeah, so we're fortunate enough that we've been here since the beginning of the HHC Women's Championship, and we are the only providers, the sports medicine providers, that put an extra physical therapist in the locker room to keep the athletes healthy, get them ready to play, and help them recover when they come off the course. And this year, with our partnership with our emergency medical services team, we're actually out on the course providing first aid and medical responses to spectators, volunteers, since there's thousands of people that are going to come through this weekend, keeping everybody safe.
I think a lot of people might be surprised by how grueling it is for the golfers out there, not only playing 18 holes a day, but warming up and then probably taking part in practice afterwards. Can you tell us about the competition and how you help out during this weekend?
Yeah, so fatigue is the biggest factor that we monitor. They're coming off of, weeks of tournaments, and sometimes they're playing on Sunday, turning around, traveling on Monday, and have to get here for Tuesday for practice round. So we partner with the tour clinician. We provide them access to any resources that they need. So whether it's imaging, whether it's doctor's appointments, our team on site here is helping to triage injuries, prevent injuries, provide them with information about hydration, sunscreen, food and nutrition. All of those aspects are all behind the scenes, and Hartford Healthcare has been the ones that have been helping to coordinate it all to keep them safe.
Yeah, you guys do a great job at the tournament. Tell us about the Keeper Playing program that you are involved with that helps girls, young women stay active in sports, and how does that mission connect to the Epson Tour tournament this week?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So a few years ago, we identified a unique opportunity between New York and Boston to provide a women's sports health service line. So that unique opportunity helped us to also identify that female athletes across the lifespan, including their coaches, their parents, their whole community, don't know how to best support themselves. And sometimes they don't even know what's going on with their own bodies. So through our partnerships and through our collaborations, we started the Keep Her Playing Conference, which is an educational series geared towards parents, coaches, and players. And then we have provider tracks, and we also do free athlete testings. So with that athlete testing, we're able to identify how the athlete is moving and growing, maybe where they have some strength deficits, so that we can prevent injuries. We can give them information and keep them healthy and active in their sport.
Okay, tomorrow is going to be family day at the tournament. I'm guessing
Yeah.
that involves maybe getting young kids involved with golf for the first time. Is that what that's about?
Yeah, that is a huge aspect with partnership with the First Tee of Connecticut, and just trying to get some younger athletes, younger families out here. Family Day is tomorrow, and there's going to be free ice cream, free barbecue, lots of fun activities. But most importantly, giving the opportunities for these young kids to see these high caliber athletes right here in Connecticut, and it's going to be amazing. I know my kids are excited to come.
All right, Stephanie, great stuff right there. I'm looking at the website now. The leader is 7 under par, so you've got some low scores out there. Going to be a great weekend.
It's a fantastic course. The athletes are loving it, and we're loving it too, because we get to see them play and keep them happy and healthy. So it's been a great week so far.
All right, Stephanie, appreciate it. Have a great weekend.